Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to restore the whiteness on the soles of your trainers if you have been running in them, walking in them, and yeah, just before you wash them, sometimes you might want to make this side white. So I'm going to show you how I use the pink stuff. Yeah, so stick around to see how I do it. So basically what you want to do is get the pink stuff. I use this product for nearly everything around the house, and today I'm going to show you how I use it on trainers. You need your toothbrush and the pink stuff, and what you want to do is pour a bit of the product onto the toothbrush like so, and then you just go in again. And then I'm going to grab my microfiber cloth. I've just got wet, so I'm just going to remove the product like so. As you can see, it's looking a lot more better compared to how it did at the start. So I'm going to do the other shoe now. Again, just going to pour a little bit more of the pink stuff onto the toothbrush like so. And then I'm just going to go into the shoe on the edges again. So it's got some grass stains and mud. So I try my best not to get onto the fabric of the trainer, because that's not what you want to do, but just around the edges of it like so. And I'm going to grab my microfiber cloth again and wipe any excess of the product off like that. What I love about the pink stuff is that it just works really fast, and it just removes all the tough stains, especially like the grass one right here. Like so. Just go around. And I'm going to get a bit more. I'm going to go back in again, especially around the back of this one and the grass stain that was here. And that's it. There you go. Clean, almost looking perfectly new. So now they are ready to have a quick wash and have them looking brand new. Right, I know those ones were not too bad, but I'm going to try and do these ones, the edges around these ones. Hopefully we can try and get them to be looking as brand new. So again, I'm going to get the pink stuff and just pour it again onto the toothbrush like so. And then I'm just going to work it around the edges. This one's got a bigger surface area, so I'm just going to pour it directly onto the shoe. Okay, I'm going to leave that one to, I'm just going to give that one a few more minutes before I wipe off the product, and I'm just going to go again with this one. I'm going to pour it on the edges like that, the toothbrush, and then just, I think these ones mainly the front. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that one to have the product do its work on it. I'm just going to give this one a wipe around the edges and see how much cleaner it looks. As you can see, majority of all the dirt has come off, and the shoe's looking slightly better than what it was looking at the start. Give the shoe itself a wipe. Might as well. But yeah, as you can see, look at that. Oh. You can almost tell the difference already, can't you? I'm going to go with this one as well, around the edges. This one's going to need a little bit more work around the edges because it's got a bit of grass stains, so I'm going to go in again. Okay, so now I'm just going to tackle the grass stain on that trainer on this side. This one's got the most. So I'm going to go back in again with the pink stuff. Pour it on that, and again, I've rinsed my toothbrush and rinsed my microfiber cloth. I'm just going to go back in again, and then hopefully a bit more effort on the scrubbing, we can get the grass stain off. That's a lot better than what it was at the start. It's not perfect, but it is miles better. I think it looks so much better than what it did when we first started. As you can see, the grass stains and the mud stains have all come off, except for this part, which I think is never going to come off. But yeah, this is what the shoes look like now, around the edges. Because the shoes do tend to get muddy and grass stains, a little bit of grass stains. So I love the pink stuff, and it works really well on things like the shoes. So this is the first pair that we did. This is what it looks like now. And this is what the other pair looks like now. So this part is clearly not coming off. I think this is like a really big grass stain, but I can't take that off. But overall, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with how the pink stuff works on the edges of the shoes. Let me know if you guys have used the pink stuff for your trainers as well. And thank you very much for watching. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I will see you guys. Bye.